got some parametric equations, and there's a restricted domain under T. Point P lies on, is 4, 2, lies on C. And we're asked to use parametric differentiation to show that the tangent to C at P has this equation. So dy by dx, can use a chain rule, it's going to be dy by dt times dt by dx. But best to just change that to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. And let's work out each of them. So dy by dt is equal to minus 3t squared. So that's going on top. And then we're dividing by dx by dt, which using the chain rule, I would just times through by 2, lower the power on the bracket, and times by the derivative of the inside, which is just 1. So it just becomes 2 times t plus 3. Now all I need is to know the value of t, and then I can work out the gradient at p. For that, I'm going to return to the original function. So I can either substitute 4 in for x or 2 in for y. Now I'm going to go 2 in for y actually, because this is only going to give me one answer. I'm going to get 2 equals 1 minus t cubed, which means t cubed is going to equal minus 1, which means t is going to equal minus 1. There's only one real solution to that. T cubed is minus 1. If I had put 4 in here, then I would have got t plus 3 is plus or minus 2. And then if it's 2 and I'm minus 3, I get the minus 1. If it was minus 2, I'd get minus 5, which I would then recheck later on. It is good to check, though, in the other one that the solution is valid. So we have just that t is minus 1. And this is in the range, so it's all good. Okay, that means at p, dy by dx is going to equal, now we can substitute that minus 1 in, so we're going to get minus 3 over, and then it's going to be 2 times 2, so 4. Okay, so now I can use y minus y1 equals mx minus x1 to get the equation of the tangent, because here I am with p, 4, 2. We want to find this line here. We found the gradient, and now we can substitute the point in. Y minus 2 is going to equal minus 3/4 times x minus 4. I'm just going to times through by 4 to give me 4y minus 8 is equal to minus 3x plus 12. And then that means 3x plus 4y is equal to 20, because I've just added 8 onto both sides and added the 3x onto both sides. So we're there. Curve C is used to model the profile of a slide at a water park. And units are in meters, with y being the height of the slide above the water level. We have to find, according to the model, the greatest height of the slide above the water level. So this is going to be at the very beginning if we look at the sketch. And the lowest value of t rather is minus 2. So when t equals minus 2, y is going to equal 1 minus 2 cubed, which is going to give us 9. And that's going to be the answer. We can also see as t increases, actually y is going to decrease. So even if we didn't have the sketch, we could figure it out from the domain. So the maximum height is going to be 9 meters. Or greater, yeah, max height, that's okay. Well done.